Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode on the DeepSeek app using your phone. If you are a fan of dark interfaces, you have come to the right place. I'll teach you how to simply enable dark mode on DeepSeek. Let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek app on your phone. Once you are in, tap on the profile icon which you will find at the top left corner. Tap on it and tap on your profile right at the bottom left corner. Here you will be seeing options app language and color scheme. Simply tap on color scheme and choose dark mode. It's that simple. If you prefer to toggle between light and dark modes throughout the day, you can also set it to switch automatically based on the time of the day. To do that, just tap here and tap on system. Now whenever you open DeepSeek, it will adjust to the theme that matches your system settings, whether it's light or dark. And that's it. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.